teach one child, you empower South Africa. Most of the people thought it's impossible for a student to obtain an A in maths and science in our area. Kids were so very poor and they didn't have any money. I started the academy at the backyard under the tree, and that tree has become so famous. So many students got distinctions. They acquired bursaries, they went to tertiary institutions, and then they come back and uplift their families. It's not about the money that we have in the bank. It's how many times you have stood up to help your fellow mankind without expecting anything in return.